Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is HashirVani, and in today's video we're diving into something very important. Whether you are a structural designer or whether you are a BIM modeler, you might have encountered this problem if you're working on Revit 2023 and above. Your analytical model is not visible anymore. If we see here in analytical model, there is nothing here, but we've constructed our 3D model here. We have all the right columns, beams, our footings, and we can turn on our structural slabs as well. Uh, Here we can see our slabs as well. We have constructed this 3D model, but there is nothing in this analytical model. So if you upgraded from Revit 2022 or earlier, you might have noticed this strange behavior. So what happens is in Revit 2022 or beyond, uh, we cannot see this analytical model directly. We have to do certain procedure to see this analytical model, and in this video we're going to see what to do and how to turn our analytical video on. So if we go to our analyze tab here, right, this is our architectural tab and structure. Here we can see our analyze tab, and in this analyze tab there is a button or an icon called as analytical automation. This might differ because the layouts on your Revit 2023 or 2024 or 2025 may be different, but you have to locate this icon analytical automation in the analyze tab. Upon clicking this icon, a dialog box will appear, and this is our analytical automation dialog box, and this is our physical to analytical for buildings. What this allows us is that we can simply turn this part of a building. If we want to select only this part of a building and analyze only this part of a building, we can simply click on this button and simply select only the particular part that we want our analysis to be on, and we want our analytical model. But first of all, we have to click on this icon, and then we have all. And we'll just don't mess with the settings here and simply click select here, and we'll just go back to our Revit here, and we'll select our model here. Let's make sure all the elements are selected. We don't want our levels here, and we'll click OK. And there is this run button here. We'll click this blue run button, and this will take a couple of moments depending upon the size of your project or your model. It may take from 1 to 5 minutes. Let's wait and give it a couple of minutes. And looks like we're done. We'll give it a couple more seconds and we'll close this dialog box, and we'll simply go to our analytical model here. If we click on this analytical model, we can see our analytical model is present here. We have all of our columns, analytical columns, analytical beams, and analytical slabs here. Let's see, if we select this and go to filter, we can see our analytical members and our analytical panels here. So by this way you can then transfer this file to our robo structure analysis, or if you want to do analysis in Revit itself, you can do that. uh, but first of all, we have to set some conditions here. For example, if we go here in structure analysis model, we have to select our load cases. Here we have our dead load, live load, wind load, snow loads, accidental, temperature, seismic, and mechanical loads here. This needs to be accounted for according to your project, according to your site, and according to your codes. We have our IS codes here. Our load combinations may be done according to our IS 456 codes, or any other international codes, or ISO codes, or American standard codes. And then we have boundary conditions here. If you go here, boundary conditions, if you want, for example, here we have isolated footing here, so we don't want any of the translation or rotation in any of the directions, any of the uh, axis. So we'll click on point load here, point here, and then we'll go to this this corner here and select it. One of the drawbacks here in Revit is you have to select each individual uh, 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 point here. You cannot just have an option here that says that you you place it on grids or anything else. You have to do it individually. And then if you want, for example, here we have a slab and we don't want we want some rotation here, so we will go here and we'll change the state to user, and then we can restrict or rotate any of the translations and rotations here. For example, in our x directions we'll just release the translation, and in our expression will release the rotation as well. For example, if we click this, this gizmo will appear, and according to your project you can uh, see this do this uh, according to your requirements and specifications. Another thing that we can do here is we can add some loads. We have a point loads, line loads, area loads, hosted loads, and here in properties you can change the forces, the bending moments, the shear forces, anything that you want. You can change the load cases. We have all of our load cases, and even if you want some custom load cases, you can add them here in analyze tab and go here in load cases and simply add one. Nature of that load here, you can simply select mechanical or anything else. That's it. You have now turned on your analytical model in Revit 2023. Whether you are doing structural coordination, whether you are doing robot analysis, or simply checking the continuity of our elements, you can use this trick and turn on your analytical model. If this video helped you, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And for more practical Revit tutorials or BIM workflows or structural and civil design content, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and see you in the next one.